This is lobby. Take a look. This is standard. If allowed to take video or not. Maybe more girls. Prepare for new karaoke bar. I don't know what is this. Maybe she lost her. Oh, this is good. Banana walnut cake. It's good. For rent also. Apartment for rent. I will show to you already girl outside. You can see. Don't tell mama. Yeah, funny guy, yeah. Funny guy, yes.
This.
Yes. But for train.
This one train. This
They work 24 hours.
anybody want me? I don't know why.
Hi everyone. Now Saturday 4 p.m. And now I am on the Perimeter Road near very popular hotel in Angeles City, Drive-In Hotel. This is all old hotel, but popular Drive-In Hilltop Hotel. Security have VIP rooms, standard rooms. VIP and standard room only two.
Yes, sir. We have only
Two kind of room. But
VIP, then one, then standard one.
how much standard room here?
24 hours is for standard is 1,500. Then 24 hours for VIP one is 1,900.
This is lobby. Take a look. This is standard hotel. It's 3 hours, 400 peso. VIP it's 550. 4 hours. Standard is 550. So you can read already this 24 hours 1.5. So it's, I think, is good price. Free internet. So comfortable room is very comfortable. I stay before, but it's already 12 years ago. So you can park car, motorcycle. Nice location also. Here have pizza, burger. Beer. I will check inside if allowed to take video or not. Good afternoon. Not problem take video around here. Okay, thank you. Harley's pub. Very popular in the Philippines. Mad Dog Philippines. I know Mad Dog. It's not biker group. Excuse me, what time you start work and finish work?
9 a.m. until 2 a.m.
Until 2 a.m. working.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is Harley pub. Again, I'm a Perimeter Road bars, and I will show to you what's new today. But you can see already apartment, how they build house. I filming it's about maybe 1 month ago, but now already you see how Philippine people build so fast. It's in this apartment in front of Boomerang Hotel. This is Boomerang Hotel. Today Saturday. We can check now how about bars. Have people or not? Because now 4 p.m. As you can see, it's nothing new. Near bars, always the same. Even 20 years ago, the same. Maybe you can see only maybe new apartment, houses, but always the same. We already remove about Sexy Monday. Already don't have. A black satin don't have like before logo Sexy Monday. Already.
Yeah,
Still have.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the three bars. This one, Thunderbirds and Night Moves.
Okay. Three bars same.
Yeah, every Monday.
Every Monday, okay. So 3 bars. Sexy Monday. I don't know. Sexy Monday. It's maybe for maybe discount have or more girls. I don't know. Maybe more girls. Or someone prepare maybe for a new bar. I don't know. Excuse me, it's built for new bar or not? New bar? Rent. Okay, thank you. No, it's not bar. Today I not expected to I will take video here because I need go to airport 4:30 p.m. I need to in the Tiger Hotel meet with my friend 4:30. That's why I have time now 4 p.m. and I won't show to you perimeter road what's new. What new here is, take a look, we already prepare for new karaoke bar. Rika's bar, karaoke bar. We need to waitress from 18 to 25 years old. I don't know, waitress maybe in 40 years old work. And here pharmacy. What is this? I don't know what is this. Maybe she lost her. Guys, if you know, please reply. I don't know in Tagalog what is this. Of course I can ask Shaira, but Shaira watch later video. Rent bike also here. Soon open. And here Norway bar. Norway bar. Open now. This is popular place, Blue Book, and also rent bike. Maybe someday we will fix this one also. It's near church. And we turn to La Grande Residence, this road. Left side, La Grande Residence. Bakery. Philippine people like bread, white bread. So, not so much bread. Pizza also have. How much here? Egg pie around 100 peso. But price is good. It's not expensive. Oh, this is good. Banana walnut cake. It's good. How much banana walnut cake here? 180 peso. Okay. When cook here also. It's good. Not expensive. Travel and tours also. You can buy ticket here. And here also. Everywhere you can buy ticket. Oh, this apartment for rent also. Apartment for rent. I will show to you phone number. And you can ask how much. Hotel Inn. Crown Hotel Inn. It's also short time hotel. Yes, you can see. Yeah, maybe short time hotel. I will check first. Maybe not, but look like short time hotel. No, look like apartment. Look like apartment. It's not hotel. And La Grande Residence, this building. But we will not go to La Grande Residence right now. We're going to this way. What is this bar? I don't know. Look like cafe shop or bar. Welcome to Paradise. CR Paradise. Yes. I don't know, maybe this cafe shop. Another apartment for rent. Laundry. One laundry, two laundry, three laundry here. Oh, another apartment for rent. If you can see outside sign apartment for rent, it's mean empty. So this time don't have people in Angeles City. Here also, see, the same apartment for rent, empty. Don't have people in Angeles City. Of course, you see video from walking street, only girls and workers only. Don't have tourists, very few, only Korean maybe. Apartment also. And big space for build house was this one also. Children play. I already near my car, near Boomerang Hotel. Okay, I will go to Valibago and park near Tiger Hotel and will wait my friend. His flight evening, but he want to in advance go to airport. I hope don't have typhoon today. Very good weather, take a look. But tomorrow expected typhoon, new typhoon. Christmas decoration they prepare already for Christmas. Yes, good. Everywhere good looking with Christmas tree. I drive car through the bar. Already girl outside. Don't tell mama. I remember a long time ago. I've been inside before. It's not for European, no, I don't like European people. Oh, Robinson. Take a look, Robinson. Easy Mall. And we turn from Malabania Street. This is Candy Tower 3. Candy Tower 3. Savina Drive. This is Savina Drive. And Georgi before stay in this apartment and this also. I don't know why always overtake even turn. We're not thinking of not safety drive here. And this Prime Edge Hotel. Candy Palace. Indian restaurant. This is Tiger Hotel. So I will park here. Tiger Hotel parking. Big motor. And Evrika closed long time. Tiger Hotel now discount 20%. Hi.
Ready to now?
Yes, yes.
The cruise. Russian?
Yes, yes. Russian.
Yeah, your friend, I know, I remember, your friend here checking before. Yeah.
Yeah, funny guy, yeah.
Funny guy,
Funny guy, yes. Maybe he will.
You vlogger?
Yes, I take video. I wait my.
I follow you.
Yes, I will give to you my name.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. You can scan this. This is sticker.
Scan.
Yeah, it's just only sticker.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
This.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
But most of the video is from the walking street because
You vlog second floor. Like, you put to the YouTube channel, right?
maybe today, maybe tomorrow
I
night.
go to staying down.
Okay. Show me, please. Because some of subscribers don't know how about and where from the rooftop. Old hotel, but comfortable. One problem only now, construction worker.
Yeah.
So need to find room, maybe another side.
Because we have project there to the back of hotel.
Uh-huh.
With long train.
Yeah. I remember. Before I stay in this room also, this room I stay.
But
I
that is
miss.
a vacant room now.
Yeah.
Make new.
Yeah, good.
Make the train.
Aha. For train.
This one train.
Aha.
This
They work 24 hours. 24 hours. But train will go to this way.
this way.
You see, train go to through Prime Edge and Old Bridge. We remove Old Bridge. Take a look. Yeah, this side so noisy later.
Do you want to see the view?
We're going to.
Be careful, remember.
Okay, okay, thank you. We're going to top.
It's the view.
Yeah, good view. We're going to the roof.
Look the view.
Very good view. Good weather today.
Yeah, the good weather today.
But tomorrow maybe typhoon.
Yeah, I think.
Maybe tomorrow. Maybe not. Maybe.
Big typhoon.
Yeah. So it's tower, white tower, candy tree, candy palace, next building.
This view.
But right now in hotel not so many people. Not so many people right now.
Maybe next week.
Next week expecting. Okay. In this room I remember.
September, May. Yes.
Uh-huh.
The
Housekeeping. Hi.
vlog yan.
The sa- can I see a little bit the same room? Okay. Good afternoon. I just want to. Before 12 years ago, I stay in this room. 12 years. What I want to see? Same or not? Same. Always the same. But
It's
not
standard, sir.
standard. Yeah, I stay in standard room and in deluxe also.
This is a
Yeah.
deluxe.
Deluxe and standard what different? Have table. Standard don't have table.
Don't have table.
Okay.
Deluxe, they have.
But the same, or same size. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sir.
Yeah, good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tourists have.
When you upload, tomorrow daw.
So we're going to airport now with Christian from Venice. Hi, Christian.
Hello. We're ready to go.
Ready to go. How long your flight to Italy, to Venice?
24 hour about.
About 24 hours.
Yeah.
How about hotel? How about stay in Angeles this time? You say to me now very nice. In so many girls in
Many
Angeles.
appointment. Anybody want me? I don't know why. I cannot speak.
Okay, so we're going to the Clark International Airport. Thank you for watching.
See you soon.